Igbo Names, none. Okay, we are going to continue from where we stopped in our previous video on the common Igbo sentences that we use every day. Okay, today we are going to take 30 or more sentences. Isn't it going to be wonderful? Hello guys, my name is Ngozi and you're all welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always showing up. Thank you for supporting me. I'm so grateful. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new upload, you always be the first to be notified. Okay? Good. The first on our list today is call him or call her. Call him or call her. Bonya. 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 Okay? No matter the gender, a he or she. Bonya. Okay? The next on our list is no problem. No problem. Nsogbu, adiro. Nsogbu is problem. Okay? Nsogbu, adiro. No problem. Okay? The next one is what? What? Gini. Gini. What? Gini. Gini. Then where? Ebee. Ebee. Where? Ebee. Where? Ebee. Gini. What? Where? Ebee. Gini. What? Okay? Then we have why. Maka Gini. Maka Gini. Why? Maka Gini. Why? The next one is when. When? Kedu ogo. Kedu ogo. Or Kedu mgbe. Kedu mgbe. That's for when. Okay? Good. Now we have how. How? Kedu etu. Kedu etu. How? Or kedi elo. Okay? Kedu etu or kedu elo. How? Okay? Good. The next one is who is he or who is she? Kedu onye. Who is he or who is she? Kedu onye. Kedu onye. The next is how many. How many? Mkpulu one. Mkpulu one or one. Mkpulu one or one. The next is don't forget. Don't forget. Echefuna. 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 Don't forget. Then remember. Chete or cheta. Chete or cheta. Okay? Remember. Chete or cheta. Don't forget. Echefuna. Echefuna. Don't forget. How many? Mkpulu one or one. Okay? Good. The next on our list is where are you coming from? Kedu ebe ishi. Kedu ebe ishi. Where are you coming from? Or Ebee kishi. Where are you coming from? Kedu ebe ishi. Kedu ebe ishi. Kedu ebe ishi. Or Ebee ka ishi. Ebee kishi. Okay? Now the response should be Eshim dash. I am coming from dash. Eshim dash. I am coming from dash. So Kedu ebe ishi. Eshim dash. Where are you coming from? I am coming from dash. Good. The next one is what is happening here? What is happening here? Kedu ife na-eme eba? Kedu ife na-eme eba? Remember when I told you eba is here? So kedu ife na-eme eba? What is happening here? Kedu ife na-eme eba? Kedu ife na-eme ebe a. Okay? Good. The next one is, what is this? What is this? Kedu iwe bu iwe? Kedu iwe bu iwe? What is this? Kedu ife bu ife? Okay? Kedu ife bu ife? What is this? Okay? Who is this? Kedu onye bu ife? Who is this? Kedu onye bu iwe? Or kedu onye bu ife? Kedu onye bu iwe? Or kedu onye bu ife? Then what is this? Kedu ife bu ife? Kedu ife, remember ife, what? For a thing. Kedu ife bu ife? What is this? Kedu onye bu ife? Who is this? Okay? Good. The next on our list is, whose is this? Whose is this? Kedu onye nwe ife? That is, who owns this? Okay? So whose is this? You understand? Kedu onye nwe ife? Kedu onye nwe ife? Kedu onye nwe ife? Whose is this? Okay? The next is, what are you doing? What are you doing? Kedu ife ị na-eme? Kedu ife ị na-eme? What are you doing? Kedu ife ị na-eme? What are you doing? Okay, what are you doing here? Kedu ife ị na-eme ebe a? Kedu ife ị na-eme ebe a? Ebe a, here. Okay? Kedu ife ị na-eme ebe a? What are you doing here? What are you doing? Kedu ife ị na-eme? Then what are you doing here? Kedu ife ị na-eme ebe a? Kedu ife ị na-eme ebe a? Okay? Let's assume you're looking for someone. Ana m achọ mmadu. I am looking for someone. Ana m achọ mmadu. I'm looking for someone. You know, a person, someone is mmadu. Okay? A human being, mmadu. I am looking for someone. I am looking for someone. Ana m achọ mmadu. Ana m achọ mmadu. You can replace the mmadu with the name of the person you are looking for. Okay? This is just an example. The next on our list is, what do you want me to do for you? What do you want me to do for you? Kedu ife ịchọ ka m melu gị? What do you want me to do for you? Kedu ife ịchọ ka m melu gị? Kedu ife ịchọ ka m melu gị? Okay? Good. Next is, please help me. Biko nyelu m aka. Biko nyelu m aka. Please. Biko help me. Nyelu m aka. Biko nyelu m aka. Okay? Thank you. Daalụ. Daalụ. I think I've tweeted something on this particular thank you. Yeah. I'll leave the link in the description. Go down there and enjoy that particular video while learning. Okay? Thank you. Daalụ. Thank you very much. Daalụ rinne. Daalụ rinne. I think that should be on the topic of the 4 magical words. Is it magical words? The 4 magical words in Igbo. Is it 4? I think it's 5. But I'll still leave the link in the description. Go down there and enjoy yourself. So back to what we were saying. Thank you, Dalu. Thank you very much. Dalu rinne. Dalu rinne. Okay? The next is solum. Follow me. Follow me. Solum. Follow me. I miss you. I miss you. Anya gị na-emem. Anya gị na-emem. I miss you. Anya gị na-emem. I miss you. Anya gị na-emem. Take care of yourself. Nedo onwe gị anya. Okay? Take care of yourself. Nedo onwe gị anya or gbado anya. Okay? Take care of yourself. Nedo onwe gị anya or neto onwe gị anya or gbado anya. Gbado anya or neto onwe gị anya. or Nedo onwe Anya. The next one is, do you live here? Do you live here? Biebe. Biebe. Do you live here? Biebe. Do you live here? Ebee. Do you live here? But there's something. It's either you say biebe or nka. Nka. Of course, I would prefer nka because that's just my dialect. Nka, ika, or biebe. Anyone amongst the three, you are still correct. Biebe or nka or ika. Biebe or nka or ika. Okay? Yes. Ebimeba. Yes, I live here. Ebimunka. Yes, I live here. Ebimunka. Yes, I live here. Mba. Ebiromeba. No, I don't live here. Mba or wa. Ebiromeba. Meaning, no, I don't live here. Okay? The last but not the least is good night. Kachifo Goodnight. Kachifo Goodnight. Kachifo. I believe we've learned a lot. Ejimnaka na nkuzi nke taa nwelu ulu ọbalụ gị. Ashim no nwelu ulu. Amam na ọbalụ gị ulu rinne. But you know what to do? Just take it a step at a time. Take your time, relax. Go through everything we've learned today, okay? It's not difficult. Just relax, flow with the vibe, and I'm telling you, you are going to do wonders. Okay, if there are other sentences you would love me to translate in Igbo language, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Okay? Thank you for staying with me. Don't forget to hit the like button, click the subscribe button, hit it very hard. Yes, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Kodi no gozo, afam kabo Ngozi.